How's it going, guys? So today I think it's gonna be a short one. I haven't uploaded for a while, so I figured what the heck, I'll upload this video that I took the other day. So I went down to my dad's house. He just finished up putting a Holley Sniper Stealth on his 71 Nova, the one that I featured in this video from before. In that video, it had a Holley Double Pumper. It's a 385 stroker because it's bored 60 over, with a 400 crank, blah, 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 all that stuff. So, like I said, short video. This one's going to be just the sweet sounds of a choppy, small block stroked V8. What more could you want? So, enjoy.
Take a little throttle. See if it'll take it without stumbling. It might not.
So there you have it. That's the Nova running on EFI for the first time. So in this video, it's actually after we had shut it back off from the first start and gotten a little bit of temperature in it because we had to raise it up off the mobile platforms just to back it outside because it was so freaking loud. It was droning in our ears. So, but my dad, I thought it was really cool. My dad was like, this thing has never started up this good. It was like I had just shut it off, and I mean, in the over 20 years that he's had that car, it has never, ever started that easily. I mean, it just, as soon as you bumped it, it was off, so that's a testament to EFI, all the haters. The fuck? There's seriously a mosquito in here? Are you kidding me? Dude, I barely had 3 70-degree days. Anyway, so that's a testament to EFI. When it's set up right, it works. All we did was run the wizard, put in the parameters of the motor, and it was enough to make it take off cold. Now, one thing we noticed, and you might notice in that video, or in that clip, was it started and then it kind of stumbled just a little bit. That's because I was looking at the coolant temp, and it was around 119 or something, I think, when I looked at the handheld. So it started to get some temp in it. So we think the issue is it's got a little bit too much startup fuel when hot, because we actually had it off when it was up to 190, which is pretty much full operating temp. When we started to start up at 190, it would just crank, and wouldn't actually take off unless you kind of, feathered the throttle just a little bit, which tells me it's got way too much fuel in it. And we actually could see that on the air fuel. So anyway, he's gonna work on hooking up the laptop and, just making some changes, things like that. We're gonna tweak it, and it's not even been driven yet with EFI, so the more you drive it, the better it gets. You know what I mean? So hope to make some more videos with that whole adventure, because I think the Holley Sniper is a really cool system, and dealing with this thing here in the Power Vision, it's taught me a crap load about fuel injection. So a lot of that knowledge, carries over to dealing with Holley, which by far, no offense, DynoJet, but their software is way better than DynoJet's software is for what I have for this. The amount of control that you have with Holley is truly incredible. So anyway, hope to make more videos. I hope to make some more videos with that, about that, and just about the car, coming to life finally, because it's, it was a full frame off over the last 5 years. So anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, check out Insta, and I'll see you on the next one.